welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we're making a very summery recipe for strawberry shortcake. This is one of my absolute favorites, so let's get started.
Let's start off with our ingredients. We need 1 3/4 cups or 350 grams of sugar, half a cup or 110 milliliters of oil, 2 eggs and 2 egg whites, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2/3 cup or 150 grams of sour cream or plain yogurt, 2 1/2 cups or 315 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup or 180 milliliters of milk, about 3 cups or 400 grams of strawberries, 2 1/4 cups or 500 milliliters of heavy cream, 1 cup or 125 grams of powdered sugar. We start out making the shortcake. We add the eggs and egg whites to a large mixing bowl. As you can see, my 8-year-old was helping. Beat the eggs to frothy. Add oil and sugar. Add vanilla. Add baking powder, salt, and sour cream. Add half the flour. Add the milk. Fold in the second half of the flour. Pour the batter into greased and lined 8-inch baking pans. If you have these layer cake pans, they help make it go much faster, but you could also use the same pan 3 times. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Remove from heat and allow to cool completely. Level the cake layers. Now for the whipped cream. Add the heavy cream to a large mixing bowl. Begin to beat. Add the powdered sugar slowly. Beat until cream reaches soft peaks. Place a layer of cake on a cake board or plate. Spoon the whipped cream on the cake. Cover the cream with strawberries. Layer the cake with shortcake, whipped cream, and strawberries until you use all the cake. This strawberry shortcake is an absolute dream. It's light and fluffy, creamy from the whipped cream, and fruity with the strawberries. It's a perfect dessert for warm days. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.